1, 2, 3 pool noodles. 1 large rubber ducky. Oh, hi there. Excuse my mess. I'm hosting a first day of summer party and I still have a lot to do. I love summer because that means more inventions outside. Oh, I wonder who that could be. The party's not for a couple more hours.
Hello.
Hi, Gracie.
Hi, Mitzy.
You're early, but I could really use your help testing out my latest invention.
Hi, Mitzy. I would love to help. What is your latest invention?
I like to call him Twisty. Twisty turns regular balloons into fun balloon animals and inflatables that are perfect for summer. All you have to do is grab some of these balloons, feed it to Twisty, and he'll transform it into something inflatable and awesome.
Wow, that's really neat. I can't wait to see what Twisty can make.
I'll be outside finishing setting up if you have any questions. Thanks so much again, Gracie.
Do 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 do. I wonder what this balloon is going to turn into. Whoa!
Wow! Look at all these inflatables! You did a great job, Gracie. You too, Twisty. Let's get all these outside before everyone arrives. Happy first day of summer! Woohoo! This video is part of a series called Code with Mitzy, where you learn to code part of this video and design your own character. Check it out. The link is in the description. Bye!